So what I got going on today, these are for a 5.7. I got these from Summit Racing. These are headers for my 99 Burb. This is the only performance part I'm doing to it. And I got down here for a minute, get here. Since it's getting rebuilt by my son's school pace guys, and we got the trans back today, and it's very exciting. Dropped it off at the school and stuff. So what I got going is I'm going to header wrap it. Get a little, my garage is in the 50s, whatever. I got to put some warm water on there. The downfall is this: when I header wrap motorcycles, is you get them wet, so you can get them real tight, and then you can get them on, and probably the same day you can at least fire it up, unless you're pre-doing your header, and then you got your motor getting built or something. But so they're gonna sit, and what they said on this from Summit Racing is that if you wanted to powder coat, not powder coat them, but spray them with exhaust, header enamel, I don't know what it is, you should grind all this off, so take it to a bead blaster, blast it, and then spray that coating on it. I ain't doing nothing. They say this stuff will burn off real quick, within 20 miles of running your car and stuff like that, and then it'll just, then it'll be whatever. So my whole thing is that I'm going to get this wet and do it. It might get a little surface rust on it because my car won't be ready till March. But that's what I was going to work on here. I'm just stoked that these look a lot better, a little better flowing than the OEM ones that I ripped off on it, the cast ones and stuff. So, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to header wrap, tell me how sucky it is, and we'll be all right. Because this is my first car headers. Motorcycle's a little easier, at least in my book and stuff. So I'm just going to play around, and I might high speed it after this point, and I'll leave this and we'll go. But yeah, thanks guys. Hope you enjoy the wrap. ended up with that one. I might have to do some with it, but I think they look all right. Better than not having it. But yeah, that's how you not do headers. Thanks for watching, guys.